Umsibi uzinikele emaphoyiseni namhlanje ekuseni. Wavela enkantolo ngamacala amabili okubulala kanye nelokuzama ukubulala.
The 45-year-old MEC is alleged to have been involved in a shooting where 2 people were fatally shot and a 3rd person wounded on Sunday, the 22nd of August 2021 in Nelspruit. His arrest brings the total to 3, the number of people arrested in connection with this case.
Abesilisa ababili baboshwa ngenyanga eyedlule. Laba ababili sebevele bavelile enkantolo kabili badedelwa ngebheli ezinkulungwane ezingama-20 ngolwesihlanu lwedlule. Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi ukhathazekile ngezinsolo ezibhekene nowengamele umnyango.
UNdunankulu Refilwe Mthweni-Tsipane uthi lezi zinsolo ngaku MEC uzibona njengezinsolo eziserious kakhulu and uyacela umphakathi ukuthi unike umthetho ukuthi udlale indawo yawo. Upremier uthi emva kokuba uMEC avelile enkantolo kula khona aza uthatha amanyathelo afanelekile.
Umsibi uyilungu lekomiti le-ANC eMpumalanga. Iqembu lithi lizophendula khona maduze nje. Kulindelwe ukuthi umsibi afake isicelo sebheyili kusasa.